It is Thursday, January the 18th, and we are at Seven Bridges Luxury RV Resort in Montgomery, Texas, and we're going to give a little walking tour. So this is the office. It's actually closed. They're not working out of the office today. They're working out of one of the cabins. I don't know if the cold weather snap that we had caused them to close it or not, but that's the deal. There's some back insights here that are gravel. And the bathrooms, shower house here. You can see the back in sights and the pull-through sites all have concrete patios, but they are gravel pads. And we paid $650 for a month here, and I believe it's $250 a week.
I'm sorry, no, it's not. That's what I paid for the first 2 weeks, was $250 for the first 2 weeks. No, it was only 10 days. Yeah, we got here December 20th. And through the 31st, it was $250. And then January, the month of January, was $650 plus electric for the month.
Hi there. Here's the laundry room. They have a small book exchange. This park does have its fair share of full-time residents, but it's not overly obtrusive in the morning. They don't get up and make a lot of noise as they're heading off to work. But there's quite a few, including a constable from one of the nearby towns. The Wi-Fi here is fantastic. Streaming is not a problem. There is some railroad noise, but it's minimal. It's not too bad at all. And the road traffic from the two-lane highway outside the park is not too bad either. Overall, it's a pretty quiet park. If there was really any negatives to say, it would be the dirt roads they have in here. There's a lot of washout, so a lot of ruts. The rigs do a lot of rocking as they come in and out, but I would say that's probably it. There are 2 fishing ponds that are fed by a creek underneath that covered bridge, and it is Seven Bridges Luxury RV Park, so we've been able to count them. There are exactly 7 bridges in the park. You can see one over there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7th one is in the back by the woods. There are 2 dog parks, one here and one up at the front of the park. There's a community fire pit here with horseshoes, picnic table, nice pool area, very nice pool area. Walk-in pool. It's a little cold to do it, with a bar, and they do have a hot tub here. Bathhouse for the pool area. And here's their community room. Nice pool table, meeting space, sitting area with the TV, and they have direct TV in here so you can watch sports or movies or anything you want, and a small recreational or gym area. We believe that is a private residence up there. Here's Vinny and Ruby in our site. We fit in quite nicely. Ours actually has a cement pad and a cement patio, but it fits in quite nicely. And that's it. That's the walking tour of Seven Bridges Luxury RV Park in Montgomery, Texas.